friends, today we are making rock candy. I think I should show you how to make rock candy. Very easy, but you should make it with an adult because we will use hot water. These are the things that we will need to make it. Sugar, food coloring, a jar, a spoon, some clothes pegs and wooden screws. We will put hot water in the glass. Be careful because it's very hot. We're going to put these sticks in the hot water for 5 minutes. I'm going to put some sugar in the plate. I'm going to put the sticks on the sugar and roll them so the sugar sticks with the sticks. And let them dry for 15 minutes. Now we put hot water in a cup. Now we need to put 3 spoons of sugar. Now we mix it until all of the sugar dissolves. While the sticks are drying, I can't waste my time, so I'm going to go and do some jumping. A lot of energy, now it's time to drink some milk. That was lovely. Let's go inside. Sticks are dry now. Now we can do the next process. We'll put the colouring powder in the hot sugary jar. Now we mix it. This is the food colour. Now we'll put it into the jar. Taste it, and if it's not sugary enough, then you put more sugar in it. I'm gonna put the sticks inside of the jar. I'll put these pegs on these sticks and we'll come back after 5 days. It's a long time, but it's fun. You'll love it. Hi guys, it's been 5 days. Now we're going to check our rock candy. As you can see, our rock candy didn't work. If you know what we did wrong, please answer in the comments.
Is it sweet?
Yeah. Sugary.
But no candies.